Hello, what is your name?
I'm Mary Rose.
How old are you?
39.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids do you have?
3,
How old are they?
17, 16, and 11.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
5 years.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
2 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Colon City.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
950.
How many family member there?
3.
How many children?
1.
How old?
5 months.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6 o'clock. Feeding time.
Mm-hmm.
Deep feeding. Cleaning.
Mm-hmm.
And bathing. Washing.
Mm-hmm.
Cooking.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then, so how about marketing? Do you go market?
Just once a week. Once a week.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
Okay, so what time they eat?
Sometimes 9 or 9:30.
9:30. Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Sometimes 10:30, 11.
Okay, okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.